Hi, Rolf Snobeck here. Thanks for joining me again this week. So I have a couple of questions for you. How do we make tomorrow better? How do we make for a more sustainable future? Bear with me for a minute. Let me run a couple of numbers past you. 50%. That's the portion of the roofs in America that get replaced every year that don't need to be replaced. 36%. That's the total volume of all the landfills in America that are taken up with construction debris. And 10%, that's the portion of the landfill volume dedicated only to roofs. I call those all reactive numbers. Roofs are expensive. Companies tend not to think about them because they're so expensive. So they delay making decisions of any sort until it's too late, and then it tends to be a reactive decision. Quick, we have to do something now. Bad decisions get made. So if you're concerned about overfilled landfills, frustrated by bad decisions that are made at the last minute, or even worried about, let's move away from the environmental side to the financial side, just worried about making a poor financial decision, I'd like to submit to you that some early engagement, preventive maintenance, and thinking about roofs in the long term will ultimately help you make better environmental and sustainability decisions. So, as a company, if that's a conversation you'd like to have, and move from just having a roofing contractor as being a vendor to a trusted advisor and partner that can help you down the road to sustainability, I'd enjoy having that conversation with you. So here's my ultimate question. I've asked this one in the past as well. How is history going to judge us? Are we going to make better future decisions, or are we going to continue to live in the past? So look forward to hearing from you. And don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn at #RolfTheRoofingGuy, or on my YouTube channel as well. Thanks, and I hope you're having a safe day.